everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole, and it is officially election season. That's kind of a good thing and a bad thing, I think. It typically ends up being kind of a crazy season, and this year is no exception. 2020 has been quite the year. But I just thought I'd go ahead and mention that we do have Trump flags, and we're working on getting Biden flags as well. So you can go ahead and show your pride, because you do have the option to fly 2 flags on your flagpole. So you can go ahead and make whatever kind of statement. If you're the kind of person that wants to say, hey, this is who I'm getting behind, then you've got that opportunity to do so. So go ahead and check that out on our website. And hey, stay kind during election season, stay smart, and don't buy into all the crazy. You know, really, I always recommend to folks, do not, it's almost like impulse buying. I've found with a lot of our customers that when they end up choosing the Phoenix telescoping flagpole, it's been after much research, after much investigation, after reading through reviews, which always is such a blessing to me to know that you landed with us. We certainly appreciate that, because we're just as proud of our company and our products. But the same thing with voting. Let's not be emotional about it. Let's just really take a step back and let's look at, what each candidate represents, what they're for, what they are not for, and don't buy the hype. Don't buy many of the narratives floating around on either side of the aisle. And then there are also other options. You don't even have to vote Democrat or Republican. You get to choose. You are an American citizen. So I will say, please vote. It's something that many people have sacrificed and given their life for, and we all have the right to do it, no matter our race, men, women. We all have the right to actually vote. And if you are an American citizen, you should be voting. You should be making your voice heard, and I hope that you do. All right. So anyway, go ahead. Like I said, check them out. Those flags online. And of course, we have other flags as well if you want to fly something else for your second flag. But I hope you're having a great season so far, and the countdown is on until Election Day.